Children, third main is subtraction. In this class, first question is 16,486 from 26,475. Subtract 16,486 from 26,475. Write the monument and subtract the correct places. 26,475 is the given number. It is called as monument. So 26,475. Write down minus symbol and then subtract this 16,486. See children, 5 minus 6, it is in the unit place. 5 minus 6, it is not possible because 6 is a greater number. Take borrow from the nearest place, that is in tens place. So when we take borrow from tens place, this 7 becomes 6. So take borrowing, this 5 becomes 15. When we take borrow, so we add 10 to the number. So 5 plus 10, 15. Then subtract 15 minus 6, you get how much children? So easy method for counting the subtraction from 15 to 6 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Is it right? So answer is 9. 15 minus 6, 9. From 6 you have to count up to 15. 16. From 16 you have to count up to 15. You get 9. So here 6 minus 8. So 6 minus 8 is also not possible for subtraction. Take borrow from 100 place. So 4 is there. 4 becomes 3. So this 6 becomes 16. Then 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8. 8. Then 3 minus 4, it is also not possible. Take borrow from the nearest place. This 6 becomes 5. And then this 13 becomes 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 4, you get 9. So easy method for counting. Starting from 4, you have to count up to 13. You get this answer 9. 13 minus 4, 9. Then 5 minus 6, it is not possible. Take borrow from 10,000 place. This 5 becomes 15. This 2 becomes 1. Then 15 minus 6, again it is 9. So 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Answer is 9,989. 9,989. Next is our question. Subtract 36,279 from 52,367. Write in the correct places. 52,367 minus 36,279. 7 minus 9, it is not possible because 7 is a bigger number. And when take borrow from 10th place, this 6 becomes 5, this 7 becomes 17. When we take borrow, add 10 to the given number. Then 17 minus 9, what is the answer children? So count from 9 to 17. This is one of the easy method for subtraction from 2 digit to 1 digit. 9 to 17. Count children. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and then 17. What is the answer? 8 is the answer. Number 8 is the answer children. 5 minus 7, it is also not possible. Take borrow from 100 place. This 3 becomes 2. This 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 7. Again you have to count from 7 to 15. Count children. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Again it becomes 8. Then this 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 becomes 0. Again this 2 minus 6, it is not possible. Take borrow from the 10,000 place. This 5 becomes 4. And this 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 12 minus 6, 6. And then 4 minus 3, 1. Final answer. answer is 16,088. 16,088. Next sum is minor is 31,579. Subtract this 10,000. Subtract 10,000 from 31,579. 579 minus 10,000. Okay, children. So 9 minus 0, 9 minus 0, 9. 7 minus 0, 7. 5 minus 0, 5. 1 minus 0, 1. Then 3 minus 1, 2. Okay? 9 minus 0, 9. 7 minus 0, 7. 5 minus 0, 5. And then 1 minus 0, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. The final answer is 21,579. This answer. Next sum is fourth one. Subtract 24,683 from 40,000. 40,000. Write the table. Borrow first, and then minus, subtrahend, and then last one is difference. Thousand place, 1,000 place, 100, then tens and units. Write 40 in the minor place. 40,000 minus 24,683. 24,683. See children, in the unit place, 0 is there. 0 minus 3 it is not possible. Take borrow from the nearest place. Here, in the nearest place means tens, hundreds, thousands also. Here we have 0. We take borrow from the 10,000 place. So when we take from 10,000 place, this number becomes usually 3. This 0 becomes what? 10. When we take borrow from 1,000 to 100, it becomes here also 10, but this becomes 9. And then we take borrow to next place, and this becomes 9. This in the 100 place, this 0 becomes 9, and this becomes 10. Usually we take borrow to next unit place. So this 10 becomes 9, and this here in the unit place, this the borrow becomes 10. Okay children? So 10 minus 3, 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. Here 3 minus 2, 1. Answer is, final answer is 15,370. 15,370. Next sum is 4,297 from 11,035. Write on the table. 10,000 place, 1,000, 100, tens, and then last one is unit place. So 11,035 minus 4,297. 4 is in the thousand place, write in the correct place. 4,297. So 5 minus 7 is not possible because in the subtrahend place 7 is a greater number. 15 minus 7 becomes 8. This, when we take borrow from tens place, this 3 becomes 2 and this 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 7, 8, and 2 minus 9 it is not possible. So take borrow from this 100 place here, 100 place in the 100 place 0 is there. So we take from the 1000 place. This 0 becomes 10, whereas this 1 becomes 0. Again we take borrow from the 100 place. This becomes 9 and this 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 children 3. 12 minus 9 3. Then this 9 minus 2 7. Here 0 minus 4 it is not possible. Take borrow from 10,000 place. So this 1 becomes 0 and then this 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 4 6. The answer is 6,738. Next main is solve the following sums. Children, fourth main is solve the following in that one. What should be added to 37,946 to get 91,643? Read one more time. What should be added to 37,946 to get 91,643? So what is the answer? Means which number we have to add to 37,946 to get the final answer 91,643. For that we have to do the subtraction from 91,643 minus 37,946. So 3 minus 6 it is not possible. You know that the 6 is the greater number. Take borrow from the tens place. So this 4 becomes 3 and this 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 6. So I will explain easily now. 13 minus 6 becomes 7. So start counting from 6 to 13 you get the answer. And then 3 minus 4 it is also not possible. So take borrow from the 100 place. This 6 becomes 5. This 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 4, 9. Then 5 minus 9 it is not possible. Take borrow from the 1000 place. This 1 becomes 0. This 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9 what is the answer? So count from 9 to 15 you get the answer. See children, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So up to 6 numbers you have to reach this number. So 6 is the answer. 15 minus 9, 6. And then 0 minus 7 it is not possible. Take borrow from the 10,000 place. This 9 becomes 8. This 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 10 minus 7, 3. This 8 minus 3, 5. So the final answer means the number is 53,697 is added to 37,946. You get this number 91,463. So cross check or verify the sum. For example, when we add 53,002 plus 37,046 to get the same answer. This answer is right. Okay, whether we have to cross check the answers. 7 plus 6, 7 plus 6, 13, 13, 3, 1 carry, 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 4 here. So 1 write down 1 carry. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9, 16. 16 further. 6 here. 1 is the carry. Carry 1. 1 plus 4. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. For that 1, write down 1 as a carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So the answer is right. So the number is 53,697 is added to get 91,643. Therefore the final answer is 53,000. Answer 53,697 is added to 39,946 to get this number, that is 97,643. Next sum is the sum of two numbers is 87,065. If one of the number is 49,726, find the other number. Find the other number. So for that we have to subtract 49,726 from 87,065 minus 49,726. So do the subtraction here. 15, how it will be becomes means take borrow from tens place. This 6 becomes 5. This 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 6. Just you have to count from 6 to 15. Okay children? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Answer is 9. And then 5 minus 2, 3. Here 0 is there. Take borrow from 1000 place. This 7 becomes 6. So this 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 7, 3. This 6 minus 7, it is not possible. Take borrow from the 10,000 place. This becomes 7. And then this 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 9. So count from 9 to 16. Okay. So you get the answer is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Answer is 7. So 7 minus 4, 3. So the other number is 37,339. Cross check the answer. Add 39,339 to 49,726. 37,339. So 6 plus 9, 6 plus 9, 15. 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 7 plus 3, 10. 1 carry, 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. So 1 carry, 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. So the answer is correct, 87,625. So the other number is 37,339. Answer. Other number is 37,339. So next third sum is, read the question. A farmer yielded 38,462 coconuts from his field last year. Last year the farmer yielded 38,462 coconuts. This year he yielded 47,285 coconuts. Find how many more coconuts he yielded this year. Write the solution. Number of coconuts. Number of coconuts in this year. In this first we have to write in this year. Coconut yield in this year is how much? 47,285. 285. Then number of coconut is in last year, in last year 38,462. So we have to count, means we have to find how many more coconuts he yielded in this year. So we have to do the subtraction here. 5 minus 2, 3, 8 minus 6, 2, 2 minus 4, it is not possible. Take bar from here. So this becomes 12, this becomes 6. 12 minus 4, 8. This 6 minus 8, it is not possible. Take bar from 10,000 plus, this becomes 16. 16 minus 8, 8. This 3 minus 3, 0. So in this year, he yielded 8,823 more coconuts. Okay children, answer is he yielded 8,823 more coconuts. More coconuts. Fourth one. Fourth sum is the sum of two numbers is is 87,065. If one number is so next sum is problems involving both addition and subtraction operations. Previous classes we discussed about only the subtraction operations. Here we have to discuss about both the addition and subtraction operations. Means the question involves both the addition and subtraction operations. Like this, first one, example number 1, solve 22,457 plus 32,986 minus, see here, this is the addition and this one is the subtraction operations. In this question we have to first add 22,457 plus 32,986. Solution: 22,457 plus 32,986. First, do the addition here. 7 plus 6, 13. For 33, you have to write 1 is carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8, 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 1 carry, again 1 carry. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 9, 14, 1 carry, see children, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 9, 14, 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, and then 2 plus 3, 5. So, the answer is 55,443. So, subtract this one, 35,712, 712 from this, when we add both the numbers from here, so answer, from the answer we have to subtract that one. Therefore, now subtract 35,712 from addition addition of this one, okay, from the sum of 22,457 and 32,986. So therefore, the sum of these two numbers is 55,443 minus this number 35,712. So do the subtraction here. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 1, 3. Here it is not possible. Take borrow from nearest place. This becomes 4. This 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 7, 7. So this 4 minus 5 is not possible. Take borrow from here. This becomes 14. 14 minus 5. So easy method for counting from 5 to 14. Okay children? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The answer is 9. And then 4 minus 3 is 1. So the answer is 90,731. So next solve the following. So it includes both the addition and subtraction. Read the question. A petrol bunk had 96,321 liters of petrol. 26,841 liters of petrol was sold on Monday. In a petrol bunk, 96,321 liters of petrol is there. On Monday, 26,841 liters of petrol was sold. And on Tuesday, 35,769 liters of petrol was sold. So find the remaining quantity of petrol in the petrol bunk. First we have to write the solution and the stock of the petrol. Means in a petrol bunk 96,321 liters is already there. So write down the stock of the petrol 96,321 and then quantity of petrol was sold on Monday. On Monday 26,841 liters of petrol is sold. Sold, okay children? 26,841 liter. Next, on Tuesday, 35,769 liters of petrol was sold. 35,769 liters of petrol was sold. The total quantity of petrol sold in 2 days. So first we add on Monday and Tuesday some petrol are sold now, so that we have to add here 26,841 plus 35,769. Okay children? So first add 26,841 plus 35,769. So the answer is 1 minus 9, 10, 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 4, 5, plus 6, 11, 1 carry, 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 for that 6, 1 carry, again 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. So on both the days, on Monday and Tuesday, the petrol was sold, that is 62,610 liters. And then for the next operation is subtraction. For that, subtract this 62,610 from 96,321. 96,321 you get minus 62,610 minus you get 1 minus 0 1 1 minus 0 1 2 minus 1 1 3 minus 6 it is not possible. So borrow from the nearest place. This becomes 5. This becomes 13. 13 minus 6. Whether you count from 6 to 13, you get some number. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Answer is 7. This 5 minus 2, 3. Then 9 minus 6, 3. Answer is 33,711. So the final answer is the remaining petrol in the petrol bunk is 33,711 liters. The remaining petrol in the petrol bunk. Okay, children. Next class we will go through exercise. Okay, exercise sums. So next exercise sums. So first main solve 54,398 plus 24,897 minus 39,486. First we do the addition for this solution. So this is a question based on the both addition and subtraction. 54,398 plus 24,897. Add these two. 8 plus 7, 15, 5, 1 carry, 1 plus 9, 10, plus 9, 19, again 1 carry, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 8, 12, 1 carry, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, and then 5 plus 2, 7. Once again, 8 plus 7, 15, 1 carry, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, again 1 carry, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 8, 12, 2 here, 1 carry, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, then 5 plus 2 is 7. Then, now we have to subtract 39,486 from the sum of these two. That is 54,398 and 24,897. What's the answer for this? 79,295. So 79,295 minus this one 39,486. Do the subtraction here. 5 minus 6 it is not possible. Take borrow from 10's place. This 9 becomes 8. This 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 6, 9. So otherwise you have to count from 6 to 15. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. Answer is 8. Okay, once again 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 9 is the answer. Okay, and then you have to next subtract 8 minus 8. You get 0. 8 minus 8, 0. Then this 2 minus 4 is not possible. Take borrow from nearest place, that is the 1000 place. This 9 becomes 8. This 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 4, 8. Again, this is not possible. 8 minus 9. Take borrow from nearest place, that is the 10,000 place. This 7 becomes 6. This 8 becomes 18. 18 minus 9, 9. And then 6 minus 3, 3. Therefore, the final answer is 39,809. Next, 43,618 plus 6,382 minus 29,467. First, do the addition for these two numbers. 43,618 plus, see right in the 1000 place 6,382. 8 plus 2, 10. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8, 0, that is 10. 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. 0 here, again 1 carry, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 6, 10. 0 here, 1 carry, 1 plus 5 is, 1 plus 4 is 5. Answer is 50,000. Now, we have to subtract this 29,467 from the sum of these two numbers. That is, what is the sum here? 50,000. So, subtract this 29,467 from 50,000 minus 29,467. 0 minus 7 is not possible. You know the answer. So take borrow from this 10,000 place. This 5 becomes 4. This becomes 10. Again we take borrow to the next place. This becomes 9 and this becomes 10. And take borrow to the next step. Repeatedly this becomes 9 and this place also becomes 9, but this unit place becomes 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 10 minus 7, 3. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 9, 0. Here 4 minus 2, 2. The final answer is 20,533. Therefore, you have to write 43,618 plus 6,382 minus 29,467 is equal to, write down the answer, 20,533. This is the final answer involving both the addition and subtraction. Next sum is 21,679 plus 27,428 minus 2,438. First do the addition. 21,679 plus 27,428. Add 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8, 17, 7, 1 carry, 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So 0 here, 1 carry, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 4, 11. Write down 1 here, again 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 7, 9. Then 2 plus 2, 4. Now subtract 2,438 from the sum of 21,679 and 27,428. What is the sum here? 49,107. So we have to subtract 2,438 from this number. 49,107 minus. So 2,000 to write in the below the 1,000 place. 2,438. So 7 minus 8 it is not possible. Take borrow from nearest place. Here also 0. We have to take from 100 place. This 1 becomes 0 and this 0 becomes 10. Okay. Again we have to give the borrow, take borrow to this unit place. This 10 becomes 9 and this 7 becomes 17. Clear? So 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8 easily we have to calculate counting from 8 to 17. Okay children? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So the answer is 9. Okay, 9. And here 9 minus 7, 3, 6. 9 minus 3, 6. Here 0 is there. Take borrow from 1,000 place. This becomes 8. This 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 10 minus 4, 6. 8 minus 2, 6. 8 minus 2, 6. Then 4 as it is. Therefore, the final answer is 46,669. Write down one time here 21,679 plus 27,428 minus 2,438. The final answer is 46,669. Okay children, next class we learn about minsum. Solve the following.